let's talk about Harmony One. It's currently trading at 25 cents, guys, with a market cap of almost $3 billion. But if you're going to trade and hodl this cryptocurrency, guys, what is it? Harmony One is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications known as dApps. The network aims to innovate the way decentralized applications work by focusing on random state sharding, which allows the creation blocks in seconds. So, guys, where can you guys trade or hodl this at? They're on Binance, KuCoin, Binance.us, Huobi Global, Get.io, KuCoin, Bybit, Crypto.com exchange. So, you guys looking at trading hodl this is available for you. Let's look at that price ratings, guys. So on Symmetry, they gave it a B-, which is absolutely really good. And Stable Outlook get a double B. If you guys are looking at trading hardliness or getting into their platform, please read these ratings, understand them, learn them. Because if you guys do not educate yourself about these cryptocurrencies, this is how you get the rug pulled on you for a lot of cryptocurrencies. So just educate yourself. When it comes to the news, guys, I didn't find any really big thing happening to Harmony the last few days. There has been some news, but it's quite old. So just go to if we look at the Coinbase market cap, just check out the news tab. I will have this link below if you want to read some of the older articles. But let's check out their website, guys. The website is looking very clean. There's one thing I do like about it, how they are on the Ethereum platform with 2-second transactions, and they do have fees, but they're very minuscule. And also you can look at their cross chain, how they are operating. So if you want to learn more about the cryptocurrency, please check it out, guys. Here's their Twitter page with 280,000 followers. Look at the relevant news. Also follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. Talk about politics, crypto, forex, everything I do on this channel, but a lot more politics. So hit me up there, guys. Also, when it comes to Harmony, they have their own Twitter page. Well, besides that, guys, outside the news, let's get to that price prediction. Now, we are going to start out on the monthly. Now, get the big picture. So, if you look at the monthly, guys, this cryptocurrency came from a little bit less than a penny to massive amount, about 25 cents currently. Obviously, these big ramp ups follow a big push down. Understand that people are taking profits. This big push up, you see these wicks putting down, people are taking profits. People will continue to take profits. So this might head down lower. So if you're looking at trading this, maybe this is a little bit risky because you have a margin account, you might get stopped out. You might have to have a very big stop loss. Understand that. So when it comes to hodling, this might be the better view. You might hodl this position is at basically 26 cents. And if it heads down lower, you don't have to worry about all that pain of getting your account stopped out. So hodling is how I'm going to approach this, guys. So let's look at the daily, okay, to zoom in. So remember, guys, on the daily, people are taking profits. Here's that monthly top right here, see? And you can see all these wicks. People were taking profits, pushing it down. They went back up. Some people, buyers, got in. They pushed it back down. That's fine. People are taking profits all the way from down here. It got back up because new buyers into the market to push it back down. So for me, when looking at this current price, I believe it's going to head down a little bit lower because these guys are still taking profits. It might head down lower, down to these support zones right here, the 14 to 15 cents. And you can definitely tell when it hit this level right here, this triple bottom down here, it pulled up real quick because there's a pool of money sitting there, a pool of buy orders. So what I'm going to do is, if it gets down lower, hits down this level right here, the 23 cents. If it goes back down there, I'm going to have my first buy limit placed here. Okay? First buy limit placed there. If it goes back up like it has been doing, like ramping up right here, I'm also going to be placing and remember, this is for hodling, not trading. Hodling, not trading, okay? So if it heads back up to here, up to this level here, we can look it up on this is Fibonacci. Let's see, get my fibs out. Fibonacci extension, turn that on. I already had it on, okay. See how it's already saying it's heading down lower? It's just fine. Just many people are taking profits. It's what it's supposed to be doing. If it heads back down to the level and then heads back down, I'll also have my, this is a bigger support right here. So if it does something like this, every single point I will be having my buy limit for my HODL position, okay? Planning out my trade. Now, I don't see this going higher. I may be wrong, which is fine. If I am wrong, I'll do an updated video saying I'm wrong and hey, what's the price to where it should be going. But me, I do see it heading out a little bit lower. I'm looking at the 15, almost 14.5 to 15 cents. That's my price prediction, lower. But if I'm wrong, I am going to swing this out, dollar cost average it out, and go to for higher highs. So what I'm going to do is enter every single Friday from my $500 theoretical paycheck that's kicking in. And if it's kicking in every Friday, put in $100, I'm going to be doing my first entry right here as a buy limit. It goes up again. I'm also going to be entering again every single Friday. If it does head back down, entering every Friday, every single Friday. And it could be every Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. Just make a plan for an entry. Plan for entry, plan for exit. So when it does, or if it does, go up to this high, back to the basically like 40 cents right here, all I'm going to do is exit some of my position, get in my original capital that I put in out, and I'm going to let the trade run. And if it keeps on hanging down here with all those entries, it's going to be me breaking even, almost a plus some, and then letting the rest run. Have a plan for entry, have a plan for exit, so you're not caught horrible with this trade. And if it goes down even lower, plan to exit. So if it does go down lower, I'll do an updated video on what I would do. Because a lot of people, I've met so many people that have called me and have conversations on the phone about what's this cryptocurrency doing. And I just tell you the same thing. We have the same conversation. They have a kind of a plan to enter, but that doesn't help them. You gotta have a set plan on what you're going to do. Write it down so you don't forget it. For me, I like to do a lot of automated trading, especially the way I program, so I can get the emotional part out. But since a lot of these cryptocurrencies are so new, it's difficult to get an algorithm for it. So for me, if I'm in a HODL, I will like I'm doing in Hedera, I'm just gonna be like, doom, don't touch it until it hits this price. And I'll write that down doing a price alert. So what you can do, instead of doing buy limits, you can just do price alerts all the way down, price alert. So your phone's pinging. You're like, okay, I'm gonna enter here based on what I created for my plan. So have an entry and exit. Okay, plan those two. So guys, let's get to my website, andrejmcclinton.com. So I've been posting my trading robot almost daily. You should look at the thumbnails. That big purple one background with the robot on it. It's trading US 30, so check that out, guys. Also, if you guys are looking to learn more about forex trading, crypto trading, stocks, and financial education, check out my trading course. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. I add videos all the time as I do my YouTube channel, so please check that out. And also, there's a cryptocurrency portion where you guys can open up accounts for forex, stocks, also crypto, and have that open conversation. So please check that out, guys. But that's the video, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's have this conversation about Harmony One, and I'll see you guys in the next video.